Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 AMC AMX. It's a go-pack car. Great car, guys. One of 1,000 ever built. This is a very rare car. It's a factory 343 go-pack car. Didn't even know this car was built, to be honest with you. And like I say, they built, sorry, I got my flag out of the way here. They built 1,000 of them. Factory Matador red with factory red interior. Love the color combo. 343, 280 horsepower engine, matching numbers engine, 4-speed manual trans, 10-bolt 355 posi rear end. And I'm telling you, really just a good car, man. Runs and drives excellent, good solid body. I dig it. I really like the car. If you're looking for a nice AMX, I think you're really going to like this thing. It's got the 14-inch chrome Magnums on it with the biasply Firestone red lines. Its car's got 90,000 original miles on it. It's actually a little bit of an older resto, but there's not many miles on it. The car, they just haven't put many miles on it. There's a couple little stone pecks that I've seen that were touched up, but very, very nice car, guys. Right there. Chrome and stainless is nice. Really a good car. Pretty paint, and again, it is a factory Matador red car. Good looking car, really nice car. Just got a bunch of stuff in today, guys. So we're going to try to get some videos posted. Actually leaving for a show, so I'm gonna try to get as many videos as I can done. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Got a good stance. See a little wear to that bumper. Pretty doggone nice though. Emblems. I've got some original parts to this car too. I've got the original intake and carburetor. I've also got the original valve covers. Again, this is the correct engine, 343, 280 horse. From the factory. It's got a little bit more now. It's got a mild cam to it, some bolt-on stuff. It's got a Holley 4-barrel. It's Edelbrock aluminum intake. Like I say, just a mild little cam to it. You can see it's got a set of hooker ceramic headers on it. It does have an MSD box on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the K&N filter top air cleaner with a nice set of Edelbrock finned aluminum valve covers. Aluminum radiator. I do have the original shroud, but it won't go on this. Again, 4-speed manual trans. And a good car. Fun to drive, man. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it with dumps. So, little flex fan on the front. Like I say, fun car to drive. I think that's all going to come off, guys. I just want you to see that. My guys missed that. I want you to think it's got funky caps on it. Come on. Always does this when I get over here. I don't know what it is. Must be the glass on my front of my building. Good car. Factory remote mirror, that's pretty nice. Stainless here's in nice shape. I believe these are the original door handles. There's your body tag. I like the red on red. Again, factory remote mirror. I've ordered the AMX, the correct red floor mats for it. Those look like the original sill plates there. Factory red vinyl interior. It's got the bucket seats with the buddy seat. It's got a custom sound system in it. Really cool gauge package. 90,653 on your odometer there. Factory tach and gauge package. Hurst shifter. Factory steering wheel. Pretty doggone nice shape. Again, it's got a H-pipe dual exhaust system in it with manual dumps, factory rear end, 355 posi gear. It's pretty cool. It's got the inflatable spare with the jack. All the owner's manuals are in the glove box. Shop manual he gave to us for it. It's all body color in here. That's just the matte, guys. Just sticking to it. See, it's got the original insulation. It looks like still on the quarters. Original jack instructions. Like I say, it really is just a good car too. Hits the road nice. It's clean underneath. Nice and tight, I tell you, it doesn't rattle around. Really a fun car to cruise in. Seats are really nice. Again, it's got all your original owner's manuals and stuff are in here. Remote for the radio. Little hair or something. Dash is nice. The gauges are nice and clean. There's your lever for the dumps. Jordy likes those. Yeah, nice little lobe to the camshaft. As my boys down south say, it hits a lick. Good little car, man. These are fun cars to drive. And again, you don't see a lot of them. Most of the time when I go see these cars, guys, all the trim's bad. It looks like they've lived a hard life, and this one's really nice. Gauges work, yep. All those vacuum gauge, all your other gauges up there are working. Parking brake does work. Backup lights work. Blower motor works, and gauges are working. Yep, radio works, just gotta find the station. Wipers work. open up your dumps real quick though, Jordy, so they can hear that. You can leave those open. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There's a little button here at the bottom you can click. That way you can get a notification every time I post another one of these videos. Jordy likes it with those dumps open. Have a great day, guys.